Hi, I'm Stevie Pescarino. Today we're at Tampa Honda on our service drive. A lot of our customers are curious about their tires when they come in. Do they need new tires? When will they need new tires? It's one of the biggest concerns on your new Honda vehicle. Anytime you come into the service department for any service, we're going to measure your tires with this tread gauge. If you don't have this gauge at home, there's a couple simple things you can do to see if you need new tires. One key factor is going to be when you're driving the vehicle if there's any vibrations. If you feel a vibration, you could need new tires. The second is if your vehicle is pulling from side to side when you turn. If your vehicle is pulling, you could also need new tires. Manufacturers recommend that you get new tires every 6 years, but sometimes in Florida the heat can also crack your tires and you may need them sooner. Next time you come into our service drive, we'll check your tires out for you, but in the meantime you can use these tips to check them out yourself.
Tampa.